Hi there, it's Amanda with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a body wash that will leave your skin soft and smelling really good. This is the Dr. Teal's body wash with pure Epsom salt with coconut oil, 24 fluid ounce. This body wash has many things that I like. Starting with the smell, it smells great and leaves your skin smelling like coconut. And that's something that I really love, the scent of the coconuts. It also leaves my skin soft and feels moisturized because it has coconut oils, and that helps the skin, if it is very dry like mine, to feel soft and moisturized. I like to apply just a little bit of the body wash on my hands, and then I rub it on my body, and then I rinse my whole body. And after the shower, my body feels clean and fresh and smells really good. So if you want your skin to feel soft, to be moisturized and smell like coconut, I highly recommend this one. This is the Dr. Teal's body wash with Epsom salt and coconut oil. This one has 24 fluid ounce. I highly recommend it and I love it so much, and that's my point of view.